I want to take a second to talk to you guys about this really cool new glass-like mat that we got for our little office, home office area here. There's a lot that I really like about it. I like how durable it is. I like how crystal clear it is. It's really easy to maintain. It's really easy to clean. I love the beveled edge because it allows your chair to roll off and roll back on effortlessly. A lot of times these have like a really thick lip to them, and this one definitely does not. It looks great. It's very durable. It can stand up to 1,000 pounds. So regardless of your chair size or desk size or your own body weight, this is going to be strong enough for any working situation. Again, I think it looks beautiful. It's a really great way to kind of maintain the continuity of a look, because you have, like for us, these really great wood floors, and we don't want to put something that's plastic looking or another mat down on top of it. So this is a really great way to kind of make sure that our aesthetics stay the same, but still allows us to protect our floor from a chair and allows the use of a mat like this, so we can have like a fully functioning chair that really slides and glides the way that it should. All in all, I think it's great. We're gonna take a look at it up close. You can kind of see the details of it. I really love it, but let's take a look at it up close. So as you can see here, we do have this beveled edge, which is really great. It's a really nice way for this to kind of move around and get to where it needs to go. I love the fact that it is so see-through, so when you put it down, you do kind of forget that it's there. All in all, I think that it's great. It can go any direction that you guys want it to, but again, with that beveled edge, you want to make sure that you're putting the flat side down and maintaining that beveled look. I think it's really nice. It's very easy to clean. I love the fact that it hasn't produced any scratches or any kind of visible marking. It's really beautiful. All in all, I think this is going to be the perfect way for us, again, to be able to protect our floors and use our office chair the way that it should. And I think it looks beautiful. All in all, this is probably the perfect office chair mat.